In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an item column name on Monday.com. If you've ever set up a board and later realized that a column label doesn't really match how your team works anymore, renaming it is a simple way to keep everything clear and organized. In this walkthrough, I'll take you through the exact steps slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own account. First, start by opening the board where you want to change a column name. From your Monday.com workspace, go to your boards list and click on the board that contains the column you want to rename. Give the page a moment to load so you can see all of your items and columns. It helps to switch to a view where all columns are visible, especially if your board has a lot of fields. Once your board is open, look along the top where the column headers are displayed. These are the labels like status, owner, due date, or whatever you've named them in your setup. Find the specific column whose name you want to change. In this example, we'll focus on a due date column, but the process is exactly the same for any column type. Now, move your mouse over that column header. One way to rename it is to right-click directly on the column title. When you right-click on the header, a small context menu will appear. This menu contains several options for managing the column. Take a second to look over the menu so you get familiar with what's available, but for now, we're interested in the rename option. If you're on a device where right-clicking isn't convenient, or you simply prefer another method, there's an alternative. Hover over the same column header and look for the three small dots, usually located on the right side of the column name. Click on these three dots to open the column menu. This will bring up the same set of options you'd see with a right click. From that menu, click on the option labeled Rename. As soon as you select it, the column title will become editable. Type in the new name you want for this column, making sure it clearly describes the information stored there. When you're happy with it, press enter or click outside the text field to save your changes. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully changed your item column name on Monday.com, helping keep your board clearer and easier for your team to use.